Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. In this video, we'll get familiar with the Tableau interface. Well, let's get started. We are currently open with the worksheet view wherein we can build the desired visuals. Let's walk through the sheet interface. At the very top, we have got the menu bar having various menu options such as File, Data, Worksheet, etc. till Help at the very right hand side. Under each drop-down, this menu item contains a lot of useful and powerful options. We'll be using a lot of these as we move along the course. As of now, I'll recommend you to walk through these menu items to have an initial familiarization. Just below the menu bar, we have got the toolbar. Here, we have got a variety of options that are quite frequently used, such as undo, redo, save your workbook, add a new connection, clear your sheet, presentation mode, etc. And if you notice, many of these options are grayed out as well. Reason being, these options are specific to what's currently available in the worksheet. Right now, we do not have any KPI or visualization built on the sheet. So that's why the Clear Sheet button is not currently available and hence grayed out. But if we quickly build a random visual, the Clear Sheet option is readily available. Moreover, if we click on the Clear Sheet drop-down, we get multiple specific options to select from, such as Clear Sheet, Clear Worksheet Formatting, and others as well. We can even change the view from standard to fit width or fit height, or even to fit the entire view. At any time, we can go back using the undo button, which is also having a shortcut as Ctrl plus Z. We can again move forward using the redo button. At the leftmost side of the toolbar, we have got the Tableau icon. By clicking on the same, we can move back to the start page. Using this, we can add a new data source as well, whensoever we intend to. Below the toolbar, towards the left, we have got the data pane. Herein, we can see all the connected data sources. On selecting a particular data source, we'll be able to see the fields from that data source down below. Anytime we intend to format the sheet, we can select the required format type from the Format option available in the top menu bar. These formatting options will cover the data pane, and we can easily format the visualization from here. We can alter the alignments, font styles, axis, line, shading, etc. Once done with formatting, we can close the format pane from over here, and the data pane will be back to the view. If required, we can also minimize the data pane using the button available over here. Using the same button from down below, the data pane can be brought back to normal. Towards the right side of data pane, we have got the analytics pane as well. Here, we have the ability to utilize multiple analytical options, that is forecasting, clustering, etc. We can even create a new sheet by using the plus option available over here. In the similar fashion, we can create a new dashboard and a new story as well. In order to rename a sheet, double-click on the sheet and enter the desired name. You can also color code a sheet by right-clicking and selecting the required color. If required, you can even duplicate a sheet and delete the sheet as well. Finally, we have got the canvas over here in the right hand side. This includes the row and column shelves. We also have the page shelf, filter shelf, and marks card as well. Shelves are usually referred to as cards as well. The marks card has further shelves including the color shelf, the size shelf, text shelf, detail shelf, and the tooltip shelf. We can even change the mark type by selecting the required one from this drop-down. If we select shape over here, this brings in a new shelf to the marks card, that is the shape shelf. In this video, we got familiar with the Tableau interface. We'll get to know more as we move along this course. In the next video, we'll be building our very first visualization.